business here in Blaine, and I have for the last 21 years. I used to do insurance business with somebody on the south side of town, and I looked for a long time for somebody that I knew, somebody here that I could bring that business to. I changed all my insurance to Nationwide because I wanted to deal with somebody that I knew. I didn't want to deal with an 800 number, I wanted to deal with somebody local. And Nationwide fit that bill perfectly.
I can tell you countless times where I've had to call my agent at 7:30 o'clock at night and he answers the phone for me, or he's sending me back texts on Sunday night at 10 o'clock at night. I feel like it's more than just a business relationship, but it's actually a friendship.
Our biggest belief is we take care of our customers. It's what we stand for, it's who we are. We are in the top 10% in the nation when it comes to customer service, and we're very proud of that.
Locally here at Nationwide, we can meet with them in person during business hours. If it's after hours, we'll make an appointment as well if it's convenient for them. We'll meet them at their house, their business, whatever it takes.
Instead of calling one of these 1-800 numbers and getting somebody from a different state, let alone a different country, trying to figure out exactly what I need. No, that's super important. Just knowing that I can come in and they can take care of me if I ever need to.
We can do things over the phone, over the internet, and we don't just have a one-fits-all. We kind of tailor it to whatever you need.
The best part about working at Nationwide really is helping the customer.
When somebody comes to Nationwide for a quote, I like to cover them as if it was me calling in with my kids. I have a teenage daughter, so I know what it's like to try and get insurance coverage, and teenage drivers are expensive, but I try and teach them about the value of what they've got.
With Nationwide, we sell all kinds of insurance, obviously personal lines, so auto, home, health, life.
Nationwide also does commercial insurance, bonds, annuities, pretty much anything you'd need on a personal level.
The best part of this job for me is, one, coming into work, knowing you have a team that surrounds you and is looking out for your best interest as an agent, and they're great to bounce questions off of. We've got approximately 26 years of experience sitting in this office.
Working with Nationwide amongst all the other agencies that I've worked with, bar none, they are at the top in the industry as far as handling claims, servicing the claims, and making sure things and taking those shortcuts to make sure that everything turns out great.
I've been very happy with what they've done for my clients. They not only save them money, service is a very important piece to me and my client, and that's number one for them. In the past, the service I've gotten from other places just hasn't been to the same caliber as I've received from Nationwide Insurance.
We're unique here because we have personal knowledge. We have a lot of involvement in the Blaine, Andover, Twin Rapids communities.
I grew up here. I grew up a few blocks away from my office, and I love our community. I'm very involved in different organizations.
Anybody that's involved with the community and have a stake in the community, obviously they want to make sure that their reputation is intact, they're providing service to their customers, and they provide a good reputation amongst the area that they serve.
Allegra has been committed to growing this area for quite some time, and that's one of the reasons that we wanted to deal with Nationwide, because Nationwide is committed to growing this community as well. So when we can partner with somebody that we have common interests in, that makes a win-win for all.
We're competitively priced in the marketplace.
I had a friend who, he referred somebody that owns a business, and he was paying almost twice as much for a competitive company, and I was able to save him over $12,000 a year for his commercial business, for his auto insurance, and get his personal lines and everything taken care of as well. We saved him probably $18,000 a year.
Being able to just have one company to deal with so I don't have to worry about anything, and that's what I found when I was going through a lot of the brokers, is that I was making payments to all sorts of different companies from here, there, and wherever. With Nationwide, I just come in and make just that one payment, and I know everything's taken care of.
For us, it comes back to taking care of our customers. It's not only just something that we do, it's something that it's in our heart, that we really care about.
We work very hard to, respond to customers' requests, and we're trustworthy, we're reliable, we're here, we have a storefront, we're in the community.